Hey everyone, it's Christina. Today we have another new construction tour. This property is located in Lithonia, Georgia. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and is just over 2,300 square feet. This builder has some amazing incentives right now. You can save up to 8% on your purchase, and you can use that money to do whatever you want. You can use it to buy down your interest rate, to reduce the price of the sale, to put towards your closing costs. You can save up to 8%. So if you're in the market for a new construction property in Lithonia, Georgia, please reach out to me and I'd love to give you more details. Thank you so much and enjoy the tour. Thank you.